Customizing your command prompt (CMD) can make your coding and command line tasks more enjoyable and visually appealing. One simple way to personalize your command prompt experience is by changing its colors. Open command prompt. You can open the command prompt by search option. Type command color 0 for default or black color. Type command color 1 for blue color. Type command color 2 for green color. Type command color 3 for aqua color. Type command color 4 for red color. Type command color 5 for purple color. Type command color 6 for yellow color. Type command color 7 for white color. Type command color 8 for gray color. Type command color 9 for light blue color.